Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to create and sell your own non-fungible token, or NFT. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item, such as art, music, or collectibles. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps of creating and selling an NFT. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your creation platform. The first step in creating an NFT is choosing a platform to create it on. There are many platforms to choose from, including OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare, just to name a few. Each platform has its own set of features and fees, so it's important to choose one that meets your needs and budget. Step 2. Create your NFT once you've chosen a platform. Then you can start creating your NFT. This process will vary depending on the platform you choose, but in general, you need to create your digital asset and then upload it into the platform. You also need to set the details for your NFT, such as its name, description, and price. Step 3. Verify and publish your NFT once your NFT is created. You need to verify it on the platform. This process is to ensure the authenticity and uniqueness of your NFT. After verification, you can then publish your NFT and make it available for purchase. Step 4. Market your NFT now, then your NFT is published. It's time to market to potential buyers. You can use social media, online forums, and other marketing tools to get the word about your NFT. You can also consider hosting an online auction for NFT, as this can generate interest and help you get a higher price for your NFT. Step 5. Sell your NFT finally. It's time to sell your NFT. When someone makes a purchase, you receive the payment and the buyer will receive the NFT in his wallet. Then you will transfer the ownership of the NFT to the buyer, and then the transaction is complete. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these 5 simple steps, you can create and sell your own NFT. NFTs are a great way to monetize your digital creations and gain recognition as an artist, musician, or a collector. So why not give it a try today? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so then you can learn more about new disruptive things.